Hey guys, what's going on? It's Billy here from the best place to buy gold online. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So 4 factors that will drive the gold prices next week. And obviously investors turn their back on gold this week. We've seen quite a bit of a dip, about 1.8% on the week. And this is amid heightened speculation that the central bankers will pull the trigger on a rate hike at the June 14th to 15th Federal Reserve meeting. Ultimately, I don't believe that they will do this. I believe that they're just trying to hold off with regards to what happens with Europe and the Brexit, and then I think they'll probably make some decisions from there. But obviously the gold, the markets have reacted, and dollar's been a lot stronger, and hence the reason why the gold prices have dropped. So 4 things to just look out for. A June rate hike obviously isn't guaranteed. This is what Sweet says, and he is from Moody's Analytics, and he's a managing director over there. Things could obviously change between now and June meeting, but obviously we believe members will heavily debate raising rates without, however, following through, and will opt to wait until July. Like I just said, I believe they're going to wait till July to make their decisions what they do, whether they go for negative territory or they do raise the interest rates. But this is all going to happen obviously after the Brexit debate, and then obviously what they determine what's going to happen after, if Britain stays in the EU or obviously we leave the EU. Obviously daily June Comex gold futures. What matters now, obviously failed triangle breakout, which you've got here, and obviously retreat under the 20-day moving average, which is here. There's a retreat below it, and obviously a bearish moment trending lower. So what to expect this week? Obviously gold is vulnerable to slippage toward the 1207 zone or consolidation within the old triangle. Bargain hunters should start sniffing at the 1210 1207 level. So obviously it's going to at least retrace to this mark here, which I believe is about the 1220 1230 mark, and it could consolidate within this triangle, or we could see a pullback to this level here, the 1207 level. If that's right, then my Greek friend Costa was definitely right that he's waiting for another pullback before he starts buying again. So yeah, probably spot on there, buddy. Yellen's speech, May 27, look out for that. Watch for the potentially market moving headlines and comments from Fed Chairman Yellen. Obviously, whenever she speaks, markets generally react. Obviously, the G7 meeting, which will also have a massive impact on the dollar, which will also, depending on the impact of the dollar, will have an impact on the gold price. Inflation, pay attention to crude oil. Can crude oil top at $50 a barrel level and hold above there? That could trigger renewed CPI inflation concerns and provide support to gold. And Gerald Celente reported last week that he believes we'll see spikes, but I think it will just fluctuate between the $30 and $40 mark, and it'll hold below the $50 barrel mark. That was just his point on it, and he's generally been quite right in the past. And obviously for the trading levels, bearish outside week in gold. Overbought conditions and recent failed breakout from the triangle pattern, obviously displayed above. Daily chart argue for short-term weakness in gold. Again, I believe my friend Costa was right. He said there's going to be a contraction and a retracement before it continues on upwards. June Comex gold contract informing bearish outside week in midday action. Friday equals negative technical signal for next week. June Comex is trading below the 20-day moving average, and obviously the 1270 mark equals negative short-term signal for gold. So, interesting article. Have a quick read for you guys that you love your technical analysis. I'll pop the link in the description below. But yeah, just 4 interesting key factors to look out for this week, and should be an interesting week for gold. Either way, lower prices means I buy more in more quantities. So I don't really, I'm not really fussed. Again, like I said before, I'm in it for the long term. This is just relative to the paper market. And once obviously that thing all uncrumbles and all starts to unfold, then we'll start seeing the relatively real value of gold and how it will how it will play out in the financial markets. So there you have it. I hope you got value. If you did, free like, comment, share. And if you want to start acquiring and accumulating small quantities of gold, highly recommend you go check out my website, goldfinancial.de. There'll be a link in the description. And if you got value from this, give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.